Hey everyone, so I've got my leather apron here. This was sent to me by the seller, so I could go ahead and show all the features. So when you do receive it, it is going to come with some leather gloves, which I really like. Now these are already a good size here. They're really nice and thick, and they come lined with cotton here. So what I like is when I do put them on, I mean, I wear pretty much a medium or a large for my gloves, and they fit really good, especially all through here. All the stitching is just really nice. So the leather apron is 42 inches long, 24 inches wide. On the back side, you can see here we do have some straps. You can actually adjust it to make it fit. Of course, rather loose or tight, but fits really well. Also, the leather is 2 millimeters thick, and it's got several pockets. So we've got a couple right here, here, a large one right here on the front. We've got two more right here, and then it also has a couple of loops to hang everything on. And so you got plenty of room to go ahead and put any of your tools that you need to. I like the color too, and you can see here how the stitching is. Everything's just really nice. Feels really good too, nice and thick. This is definitely going to allow me to do a lot of things around my garage and keep my clothes from, especially if I'm doing any welding, from getting holes in my clothes and just protecting the body. Hope you found this review helpful.